guys. It's like 7. I don't know when we get up to 7, but Vixx had a new video come out. So we get up like 15 minutes. And I'm gonna react to it. And you probably didn't hear me. And yeah, it's pretty, I'm pretty tired. Tired of like crap. That's why I could not get their weight. It's making me look like, what are you doing? I don't know. I'm wanting to sleep, but not at the same time because I'm so excited. Because, you know, you guys know about Vixx. So, we're gonna watch this movie, and because it's quiet, I can craft. And so it's great. I have my eyes itchy as hell. Let's do it. Okay. I didn't have to see that inside. It's fun. Oh dear. Oh dear. Open up this screen. Here we go, guys. Oh crap. That was an eyeball. But, oh my. I like that rain. Hey, oh. This is creepy. This is amazing already. Oh, next part. Oh my god, I love this song. I could have this album right now. Oh my god. She likes it. Oh my god, Oh. Oh, that was good. Awesome. Awesome job. I watched people do that. This is creepy. Awesome. This is bad. Oh. Yes, I like that. I like that. Yeah. Oh god, that was just something. Whoa. Oh god. Okay. Can you watch it? Fucking. Oh my god. Oh. Please tell me we're gonna have a real thing on stage that moves right now. Okay. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh my god, that looks like Happy Honey. Evil. Oh my god. I love the hair blue. Come to life. Oh my god. Breakout. Come on, Jeff. Yeah, get her. Okay? Keep killing already. They have to win it. I swear to God, if they don't win, I'll punch them. No! No! I want more. Oh, hunger. He's so crazy. Oh. That's hot. That's really hot. Oh, that's nasty. Alright, I'm actually playing. That is bad and pretty like I'm not getting into bed because I can go to bed after maybe. That was amazing. That was absolutely amazing. The cinematography behind that was beautiful and it was fucking creepy as hell. He's my friend. That was sorry. I love it. Love the song. I love the dance, the acting. Oh my god. Wow. I had like an open shirt. I was gonna watch this again. I can't do like love it, and then it came out the screen. Like, hot damn. But yeah, that was really good. The whole theme was really good. You know, look at the English lyrics, translated it, in a sec. But that was amazing. That was amazing. Sorry guys, I went black there. I'll put that on that again. There we go. I don't even know this kid. That was creepy. I'm not a like, I don't like horror movies and I don't like gore, but I can do this. Actually, gore is not so bad as horror movies. It's scary things like coming and killing. Oh, sorry. But that was amazing. Everything about it was amazing. All this acting was so good. And he actually got his own part. How come he didn't get like a lot? Maybe it's just I need to watch it again. But their clothes, everything was so good. I'm so glad I woke up to that. I would die if I got on Tumblr and be like, oh my god, scrolling through, get my stickers. Just for the way shade. But it was amazing. It was they boys look beautiful. Y'all can ask too. That'll be fun. I really love that. I like the whole thing. If they don't win the number one, I swear they need to. I don't care who else is playing. My friend, they're not my friend anymore. This person on the email like, they'll never win a number one against other people. Like if they keep doing comebacks with other people. Just screw you, man. Go on number one whenever you want. Whenever Starlight gather and vote and stream and buy the albums and win because I didn't like this person. But they need to win number one for that song at least one time. Like I don't even care if it's once and that's it. They need to because that was amazing in my opinion. Everything about it. Everything about their past comeback was amazing too. Like High definitely great and great you and High can't see that was amazing. And I'm surprised they didn't win that. Well actually they got really popular from that. They got really popular from On and On. But I hope that they win number one. I swear. It's gonna be really hard. I work at like 8 a.m. on Wednesdays, and I'm going to my friend's house tonight after work. I got about 11 at night, and I'm gonna open the next day. I probably won't sleep because I'll watch Planety Diary, and then I'll watch their showcase, and then I'll watch the men's show champion. And that means I will be up until 4 a.m. when I have to be up at 6:30 for work, which means no, I will not sleep. Proof I'm sick. It's worth it though, in my opinion. After Israel, I'll just sleep in. Yep. Now, and I urge everyone to do that too, because if we do want them to win number one, we gotta do that. Gotta do that. And by the way, whether it's digitally or physically. I bought it physically. I bought it off simply like $23 or something, including shipping and handling. I got a gift card for that for my birthday. That's why I bought from there. And I'm just gonna see if they have something special with them. And I'll buy it twice. And then I'll sell the other one. But it was amazing. I love the dance. Looks so cool. I can't wait. I really wish they would put dance versions of it in the deal because they become so well known for their synchronized dancing. Like their dances are always fantastic. Even ever since like their debut, they've been amazing dancers. That's for sure. The song is amazing too. I can't wait to see it perform live. I really hope they have that giant unit stabbing people. I was like, holy crap! And when he like stabbed and he just can or stabbed him, and I was like, he like, and then he like stabbed Hongman, I think. Again, he like dragged him in, and I was like, ew, that's awesome. Yeah, like go on. Watch out for me. You know what that is? It's an anime. It's pretty cool. Bodies everywhere. Anyways, that's freaking awesome. I'm gonna watch it again. My friends are gonna watch it. Okay, bye, stars. Another fandom. I'm high, but I'm not. I'm just tired. Okay, bye. Love. Yeah. Woo!